Structures of oxoacids of nitrogen. Name. First one, hyponitrous acid. Formula H2N2O2. Structure HON double bond N OH. First we have to study about name, formula, oxidation state and preparation of oxoacids of nitrogen. Now we move to the below going table. Preparation of oxoacids of nitrogen. Name, hyponitrous acid. Formula H2N2O2. Oxidation state +1. Preparation Ag2N2O2 plus 2HCl gives 2AgCl plus H2N2O2. This is the preparation for hyponitrous acid. The second one, nitrous acid, HNO2, oxidation state +3, BaNO2 twice plus H2SO4 gives 2HNO2 plus PaSO4. The third one, pernitrous acid, or correctly peroxynitrous acid. Peroxy, it is a correct form. HOONO. This is the formula. The abbreviated formula is similar to nitric acid. However, the expanded formula HOO, that is peroxo linkage, peroxo bond, NO. Oxidation state the same +3. Preparation hydrogen peroxide with nitrous acid, H2O2 plus ONOH gives ONOOH plus H2O. The fourth one, nitric acid, HNO3, oxidation state +5. Preparation from ammonia and oxygen, 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives 4NO plus 6H2O. Again 2NO plus O2 gives NO2. Again 2NO gives N2O4. Again 2N2O4 plus 2H2O plus O2 gives 4HNO3. This is the preparation steps. Which involving ammonia and oxygen as a reactants. Then the fifth one is pernitric acid, or correctly peroxynitric acid. The abbreviated formula is HNO4. The expanded formula is HOONO2. The oxidation state for pernitric acid, or exactly peroxynitric acid, is +5. The preparation method or preparation equation, H2O2 hydrogen peroxide plus N2O5 nitrogen pentoxide gives NO2OOH plus HNO3. Pernitric acid plus nitric acid, or peroxynitric acid plus nitric acid. Now we are going to study about the structures of oxoacids of nitrogen. Name, hyponitrous acid. Formula H2N2O2. Structure HO bond N double bond N single bond OH. The second one, hydronitrous acid. The formula is H4N2O4. The structure is OH from N another bond with another N attached with two OH groups. The third one is nitrous acid, HNO2. Structure HO, two lone pairs on O, bond N, one lone pair, double bond O, two lone pairs on oxygen. Pernitrous acid, HOONO. The structure is similar to nitrous acid. Here, the hydroxyl group is replaced by peroxohydroxy group. So, the structure is HO bond O, two lone pairs on oxygen, bond nitrogen, one lone pair on nitrogen, double bond oxygen, two lone pairs on this oxygen. Nitric acid, HNO3. This is the formula. Structure HO bond N plus, double bond O, bond O minus. Then peroxynitric acid or pernitric acid, HNO4. Structure HOO bond N plus, double bond O, again from N, bond O minus. These all are about the name, formula, oxidation state and preparation method and structure of oxo acids of nitrogen. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.